Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good morning to my pupils. Year 5 Al-Ghazali. How are you today? Okay, today we start with our Year 5 lessons. We have a new textbook. So today unit will be the starter unit. Okay, a starter unit is about vocabulary. As you look at your textbook, you will find that there are on page 1 there are starter unit about starter unit vocabulary 3 times. Okay, this is our topic for this week. So as you look in your textbook, there are 15 pictures. Okay, there are 15 pictures. Okay, I want you to read. Okay, let us read together the phrases and the words given in your books. Okay, read after me. Video games, music, art, reading, watching TV, films, animals, cooking, skateboarding, cycling, photography, sport, shopping, chatting online, and meeting friends. Okay, those are the words and phrases for the pictures given. So as you look, there are 15 pictures altogether. Okay, now then I want you to take out my handouts. Okay, you got this right? Okay, I ask your parents to take in the school. Okay, I put it in at school near the guards and security. So need to do this activity in the worksheet. Okay, now the first one is word search. Okay, word search. Okay, I need you to find out all the 15 words. Alright, all the 15 words that I mentioned earlier in these word search. Okay, you can use your pencils or your color pencils. Okay, both can be used. At the end, there must be 15 words all together in the word search. Okay, that is task 1. Alright, task 1. Still regarding on the vocabs. Okay, look at page 2. Okay, this side, right? Okay, only this side. Okay, the task with the pictures. Okay, here I want you to write down the correct word under the correct pictures. Alright, write down the correct words under the correct pictures. Right, the words are video games, music, art, reading, watching TV, films, animals, cooking, skateboarding, cycling, photography, sport, shopping, chatting online, and meeting friends. All those words you have to write down, alright, under the correct pictures. Okay, so for today's, you need to read, listen, and read all the words. Read in front of your parents. Okay, parents, make sure your kids and your children able to read the words properly. Alright, properly. ask them to read. Okay, so in the beginning, in the starter unit this week, there are only 2 tasks for today. Okay, others we will continue on Thursday. Alright, on Thursday. So good luck everybody, hope to see you on Thursday, then we continue. Alright, we continue to the worksheet. Also you have the textbook and also the activity books. So good luck. Five Guys Ali is excellent, awesome pupils. Alright, so see you then on Thursday. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good.